Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you chapter 8 Ratio and Proportion, topic Proportion. What is proportion? Four numbers A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. If A is to B is proportion to C is to D, then A is first term, B is second term, C is third term, and D is fourth term. A, B, C, D. There are four terms. A and D are A first term and fourth term. A and D are extremes, and B and C are means. We can say A and D extremes, and B and C means. So A is to B proportion to C is to D. A is to B we can write in fraction form A upon B is equal to C upon D. If we will cross multiply, by cross multiplication we will get A into D is equal to B into C. A into D is equal to B into C. That means product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme is what? A into D, and product of means is what? B into C. So D is called fourth proportional to ABC. We will say D is called fourth proportional to ABC. If A is to B is proportion to C is to B is to C, then A upon B is equal to B upon C. After cross multiplication, B into B is equal to A into C. B into B means B square is equal to AC. B is equal to under root AC. Let's see the first example. Show that the numbers 22, 33, 42, 63 are in proportion. How to do? These numbers are in proportion. In solution, we know that product of extreme first term and fourth term 22 into 63. We will multiply first term into fourth term, and for product of means is equal to second term and third term will multiply together. So if we are getting same number as product, so we will write therefore product of extreme is equal to product of means. Hence 22, 33, 42, 63 are in proportion. If product of extreme and product of means, their product are coming same, so we will write last these four numbers are in proportion. Let's see the next example. Show that the numbers 22, 36, 5, 6 are not in proportion. In solution, we have product of, we know that product of extreme is equal to product of means. So here product of extreme is what? 25 into 6 is equal to 150. Product of means is equal to 36 into 5 is equal to 180. Therefore product of extreme is not is equal to product of means. Hence 25, 36, 5 and 6 are not in proportion. If both the product are not coming same, so we will write all these four numbers are not in proportion. Next example, if x is to 18 is equal to 5 is to 3, find the value of x. How to solve this type of question? In solution, given that x is to 18 is 5 is to 3, but we know that product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme first term and fourth term multiply together is equal to 18 into 5. Therefore implies that x is equal to 18 into 5 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18, 6 5 are 30 therefore x is equal to 30 answer. Next example, the first three term of a proportion are 3, 5 and 21 respectively. Find its fourth term. How to find? What question is asking? We will write that thing in let solution. Let the fourth term be x, then उस टर्म को, उस जो पूछा जा रहा है उसी को आप x मान लेते हैं. तो लेट द फोर्थ टर्म बी x, देन 3:5 इज proportion to 21:x. implies that 3 into x is equal to 5 into 21. यानी product of extreme is equal to, since product of extreme is equal to product of mean, therefore 3 into x is equal to 5 into 21. x is equal to 5 into 21 divided by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. Hence the fourth term is 35 answer. Next question है, if 25, 35 x are in continued proportion, find the value of x. Solution. Since 25, 35 x are in continued proportion, अगर 3 जो है कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन में है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? देयरफॉर 25:35 एंड 35:x, यानी मिड जो नंबर है वो 2 टाइम्स होगा. सो इम्प्लाइज दैट 25 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स एक्सट्रीम इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इंटू लास्ट टर्म, fourth term 25 into x is equal to 35 into 35. x is equal to 35 into 35 divided by 25. We will cut the table of 5. From table of 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 7 7s are 49. We will get x is equal to 49 will be answer. Therefore next example, find the third proportion to 9 and 12. In solution, let the third proportional to 9 and 12 be x. Therefore the fourth proportional to 9 and 12, 9, 12, 12 is x. Therefore x is to 12 is 12 is to x. 9 into we know that since product of extreme is equal to product of means, 9 into x is equal to 12 into 12. x is equal to 12 into 12 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Hence the third proportional to 9 and 12 is 16. Clear? That will be answer. Next exercise, next example. Example 7. What number must be added to each of the numbers 10, 11, 10, 18, 22, 38 to get the numbers which are in proportion? So what question is saying, children, what number must be added? इस 4 टर्म में क्या नंबर आप ऐड करेंगे कि ये जो है नंबर प्रपोर्शन में हो जाता है? तो आप उस चीज़ को जो पूछा जा रहा है उसको आप x मान लेंगे. इन सॉल्यूशन लेट द नंबर टू बी एडेड बी x. जिस नंबर को ऐड करना है वो x है. सो वी विल ऐड ऑल द नंबर, वी विल ऐड x इन ऑल द नंबर. सो देयरफॉर 10 plus x is to 18 plus x is 22 plus x is to 38 plus x. इन चारों नंबर में हमने x को प्लस कर दिया और उसको प्रोपोर्शन में लाने के लिए फर्स्ट टर्म इज टू सेकेंड टर्म, प्रोपोर्शन टू सेकेंड टर्म इज टू फोर्थ टर्म, थर्ड टर्म इज टू फोर्थ टर्म. सो इसका मतलब होता है कि 10 प्लस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 18 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 22 प्लस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई, ये तो डिवाइड का साइन होता है, दिस डिवाइडेड बाई दिस. अब बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 10x प्लस x इंटू 38 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 18 प्लस x इज इंटू 22 प्लस x। अब आप इसको जो है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई। पहले आप 10 को इन दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जैसे 10 इंटू 38, 10 इंटू 38 प्लस 10 इंटू एक्स, फिर उसके बाद प्लस x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x इंटू 38 मतलब 38x, x इंटू एक्स मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर। तो लाइक इस तरह से हम इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इज इक्वल टू 18 इंटू 22 प्लस 18 इंटू एक्स, यानी 18 का इन दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, x का फिर दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो x इंटू 22 यानी प्लस 22x, x इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, तो प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। अब आपका इसमें देखिए ये नंबर ऐड हो जाएंगे और ये दोनों नंबर, यानी 10x और 38x और 18x प्लस ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे, तो आपका आ जाएगा 18 इंटू 10 380 प्लस 48x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, ये जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 396 प्लस 40x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसल्ड, हेयर विल बी क्या होगा यहाँ पे 48x माइनस दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर हियर 40x is equal to 396 minus this will be transfer in right side 380, then after minus 8x is equal to 16, x is equal to 16 divided by 8, 8 2s are 16, hence the required number is 2. Next question, the scale of a map is 1:25 lakh. What is the actual distance between two towns if they are 3 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट ऑन द मैप? इसमें देखिए मैप का जो स्केल है वो दिया हुआ है और एक्चुअल वैल्यू, एक्चुअल जो डिस्टेंस है टू टाउन्स के बीच का वो पूछा जा रहा है। और अगर दोनों जो है if they are 3 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट ऑन द मैप, तो उसके लिए फॉर दैट वी विल फाइंड सॉल्यूशन गिवन दैट, क्या चीज़ दिया हुआ है इस क्वेश्चन में, स्केल, द स्केल ऑफ मैप, द स्केल ऑफ अ मैप इज इक्वल टू 1:25 lakh। लेट द एक्चुअल, जो पूछा जा रहा है उसको x मान लेंगे, लेट द एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू टाउन्स बी x किलोमीटर, therefore implies that, अब आपको 3:x क्या दिया हुआ है, if they are 3 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट, तो 3:x is equal to 1:25 lakh, 3 upon x is equal to 1/25 lakh, after cross multiplication x is equal to 3 into 25 lakh, 75 lakh centimeter. Now you will convert it into kilometer. How to convert? We know that since 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 1 lakh kilometer, therefore 75 lakh centimeter is equal to 75 lakh into 1 divided by 1 lakh kilometer. When it will be cancelled, here will be 75 kilometer. Therefore, actual distance between the two towns is 75 kilometer. I hope you all have understood. With the help of this video, you will solve the next exercise. Clear? Thank you.